Good morning, everyone. Today is June 28th. It is 6:45. I'm listening to Bax, Steve, and Dave in the morning on Rock 102. Just waiting for Valley Green to open so we can get some supplies. We're in about 200,000 square feet today. Current temperature is like 58 degrees on June 28th, which is super chilly, which is actually good for our lawns, help the lawns recover, retain some of that moisture that we got yesterday, Monday. So that's good news. The fertilizer is going to help too. So stay tuned. So here's all my supplies for today. 22 bags, my blower, 2 gases, my hand cans, backpack, hand spreader, and my beautiful pony green. Listen to her purr. She's a bee. Oh, and don't forget to tune in to the Grass Factor. You guys fell down. Well, the day's almost done. One more lawn. It's 3:40. You're held up by a tripod and a bag of ryegrass. So today went okay. There was a couple reschedules. Landscapers working on the lawn. Really just been a repeat of the last couple of times I've been out. Nut sedge, crabgrass, spurge. So in general, the lawns aren't looking terrible. There's some of them that are cooking. So if you haven't started that morning irrigation, it's pretty important to start doing that. Yeah, you're fading away. If you have an irrigation system that's like 25 minutes a zone every other day would work right now. If you don't have an irrigation system, you are the irrigation system. You're looking at, with average pressure, an hour and 15 minutes a zone with a hose. So don't lose your lawn to drought. Just fair warning right now. Okay, I'm gonna go do one more. Be right back. All right, that's fun. 4 o'clock. It's Miller time. So, what did I learn today? I learned today that one of my employees' machines needs a new transmission. So that's fun. Looking forward to that. What else? I learned that T-zone is not as strong on yellow nut sedge than I wanted it to be. I learned that a couple of my customers actually really nice lawns, but they're not in control of how it's mowed and when it's mowed, and it is affecting the lawn. So that's frustrating.
they always have a beautiful lawn. They've been actually, I've worked on that property for over 12 years. They decided to stop mowing it themselves. Anyway, that was a real good. So another time, more videos for tomorrow. Athletic fields, soccer fields and stuff. You'll actually see me in action. Bye.